Hi, my name is Jessica, and I am married to Brandon. We've been married for 13 years, and we have 4 children, ages 8 to 2. I wanted to talk to you about my experience with the Wild at Heart and the boot camp, and what it's done, the transformation it's done for my husband and I. We started out with a great marriage and going to church and doing what we needed to do, but I was needing more. I needed my husband to be the spiritual leader of our home. I needed him to gather our children. I needed him to teach us about what it meant to love God. But my husband didn't know really what it meant to love God fully. He decided to join a book study, The Wild at Heart by John Eldredge, and that put him with a small group of men who he started to bond with. And then he decided to do the boot camp, which was a big step for him. The boot camp for him was an invaluable experience. He came away with something that he's never been gifted with before. God spoke to him there in a way that told him that he mattered, that told him that part of his story matters, and if he is not part of the story, someone else is going to take his place. The story is going to continue without him. He came home ready to fight for us, fight for our hearts, and fight for our relationship with our Lord. I wanted to read a bit of an email that I wrote to the men after he came home and about my experience. The man who came through our door on Sunday night was enlightened and he was vulnerable. My husband was now open to letting God heal and looking forward to God's ultimate plan. No promises were made other than that he is going to work on fighting for our hearts for the rest of his life as long as God requires. I thank all of you who played a part in this. God answers prayers, and all of you are part of my prayers for my husband and for my family. I've been bubbling over with excitement for our future on how Christ will reveal the warrior that I married. My husband left a man who believed in God and came home a warrior for Christ. He is to this day still on fire. We have our ups and downs, and the enemy attacks us all the time. But the boot camp has changed our focus. It's changed his focus on always looking for the good, on renouncing Satan when he comes into our home, and knowing that his role from God is to be a warrior, is to fight for us, to protect us, and to keep us focused on God. And we've been doing that, not without struggle, but we've been doing that. The boot camp experience it's without words. Other testimonies you're going to hear, it saved marriages. It's that big of a deal. You need to look into this and get your husbands on board. This whole Ransomed Heart message is the way to go. It is focused on our God-given powers and our God-given gifts. And I thank you for this opportunity, and I pray that you get on your knees as wives and women who have men in your lives and pray for God to intercede. That's what I did, and God did. He sent me these books and sent me these men that my husband now can call true friends, to hold him accountable and to be warriors for Christ. Thank you.